Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into supersede. 5 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Supersede, which means take the place of a person or thing previously in authority or use. Number 1. Succeed, which means take over a throne, office, or other position from. Succeed. For example, he would succeed Hawke as Prime Minister. Number 2. Displace, which means take over the place, position, or role of. Displace. For example, he believes that books may be displaced by the electronic word. Number 3. Replace, which means fill the role of someone or something with a substitute. Replace. For example, the government dismissed 3,000 of its customs inspectors, replacing them with new recruits. Number 4. Override, which means be more important than. Override. For example, this commitment should override all other considerations. Number 5. Supplant, which means supersede and replace. Supplant. For example, vast impersonal motorways supplanted the agreeably irregular network of real roads. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.